Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is 11 tips to engage users with your YouTube community tab. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest videos. Earning a ton of YouTube subscribers doesn't culminate your social media journey. It's just beginning of the user's engagement process. Posting new content is not enough when everyone can actually do the same thing. You need to form a community, a family of like-minded individuals who agree to be part of your social life. With this, the YouTube community tab saves the day. You probably saw this on your dashboard already. Of course, it's there over for a purpose on just for display. It's understandable if you don't have any idea how this works. That is why we are here to guide you. In this video, you will discover how to explore the YouTube channel community tab. So number one is the launch in video form. Naturally, you would want to update your subscribers in a way they are used to, introduce them to your community tab. Of course, by posting a video. The deliver is up to you really, but you definitely enjoy doing it creatively for an added flavor. Number two is motivate people to engage notifications. You might have seen this already, your favorite YouTubers requesting you to enable the notification bell. Besides the subscriber button, they promote you do this to notify you about their latest channel activity. Of course, you can do the same thing to your subscribers as well. Number three is explain the purpose. The first post on your community tab should ideally be about welcoming your YouTube audience and letting them feel the community vibe. Number 4 is market your merchandise. As our channel grows, the need to maintain it also increases. Many channel creators have thrived well by marketing and selling their products and services to visitors and subscribers. You can freely do this as well on the community tab aside from posting ads on the video descriptions. Regularly and endorse your most recent video. If the notification bell is not enough, then you may ensure your subscribers to get update with the community tab. YouTube will include the following as part of the link preview. Show a sneak peek of your next video. It is not exciting when you watch a movie trailer. It provides you with something to look forward to. That's work as well as with YouTube video. Posting a sneak peek or a teaser on the community tab is delightful set on its own. Make use of polls. Automated analytics tools may get the job done, but it is not perfect all the time. Additionally, you don't get meaningful conversation or interaction with it. By putting up polls or surveys on your community tab, you hit two birds with one stone. Host and Q&A session. There's a reason why your viewers clicked that subscribe button. Maybe it's your quick brief, cool demeanor, or probably your exceptional addition skills. Letting your subscribers know humor is one way to mind them further as a community. Get inspiration for your next video. Even the most artistic and innovation personalities could still run out of creative juice. It happens to all of us, and sometimes we just need to rely on someone to help us out. It's amazing to know that the community tab enables you to borrow a new idea. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel so you can get latest videos. So take care, goodbye.